policemen held the cloth tightly over my face as they drove me to the detention center. I was struggling to breathe, and as soon as we arrived, they interrogated me, asking me endless questions. Who else is involved? Who sent you? They're getting angry, they stand up and they walk towards me, and then the 6 of them start to kick me like they're playing with a football. The hatred and brutality in their eyes, the cruelty. It feels like all of them are specially trained to beat people. The pain is excruciating. My chest, my stomach and back and my head, and I collapse to the floor. They tell me to get up, but I can't. I'm physically unable to. So they beat me again, and each time I fall down, they pull me straight back up, and they kick harder. After nearly 20 minutes, they stopped, too exhausted to keep beating me. So I'm pulled up from the floor, and I'm chained tightly to a steel chair that's bolted to the ground so that I can't move. And they threaten worse beating if I don't answer their questions correctly and honestly. Worse.
Why do you still not confess?
Who do you think you are?
Who do you think you are?
What kind of beings must these policemen be? They do not have even the slightest compassion in them. The sadness of it fills me. This time I'm hit so sharply in my gut that blood spurts out of my mouth. It was during this beating that my liver was damaged, and I'm also deaf in one ear. I thought to myself, I'm sure to die in this wretched place. But then at least I'll be at peace. No more beatings, no more pain, no more questions. Give Tibetans their voice back. Stop the torture. Free Tibet.